When I got this Vanagon, the mirrors were floppy, wouldn't hold in position when the door slammed or the wind speed is up. So what I did was, instead of replacing them, I cut open a portion of the arm and I substituted a long bolt in this case, and that's a grade 8 bolt and nut, and then tightened it up and refurbished it with JB Weld epoxy and some paint that's close to matching. So now the window mirrors stay in position perfectly even when the door is slammed. And the cost was probably about 25 cents for a couple of bolts.